Guys, kan lagi liburan nih. Pas gue lagi bersihin file-file, ternyata masih banyak video yang belum gue upload. Dan gue pikir berarti channel gue vakumnya lama juga ya. Upload aja yang masih bagus. Kita lihat yang satu ini.
Hey guys, it's me again and today I'm a chef. Today we're going to cook s'mores. I love s'mores. S'mores is really good with the chocolate, with the marshmallow. These are the ingredients: graham crackers, Hershey, and marshmallow. I use the honey made graham cracker, Hershey for chocolate bar, and Eagle marshmallow. You can use any marshmallow you like. I choose Eagle marshmallow because it's halal for me. First, we have to break the graham crackers into 2 pieces and put the chocolate bar and put the marshmallow. Here it is. Here it is, ready to bake. Put the top on it. Okay. The marshmallow is legit. That's it for today. Hope you enjoy making it by yourself. And bye. Don't forget to